Oh, y'all ever heard 3 minutes? If the pussy good, I'm only fucking 3 minutes. 3 minutes? Y'all never heard that song? That's like my favorite song right now. If the pussy good, I'm only fucking 3 minutes. I done popped the R&P, she could've defended. Fuck around and had to hit it raw.
Fell asleep in it. I swear a pussy get wetter off a cheap liquor. Bitch, I need 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
Bitch, just give me 3 minutes.
Fuck
around and slip the rubber on, I couldn't skeet in it.
Bitch talking about if I nut quick, she gonna cut me off.
You damn right.
Bitch, I only need 3 minutes.
You tripping, boy.
If the pussy good, I'm only fucking 3 minutes. I done popped the RP, she couldn't defend me. Fuck around and had to hit her raw, fell asleep in it. I swear a pussy get wetter off a cheap liquor.
I think I can remember.
Shit, bitch. Put some respect on my name, I'ma pay now. Damn, nigga, fuck a breakdown.
Wake up in the morning drinking lean like it's beer. We just hit a rat trap.
Bring that cheese over here.
She could play.
On the west side, down, all this and all that, that's class, mate.
Are you recording?
One. What up, Poop Javoo?
Hey y'all, it's Tammy here.
Tammy here. Chris has already interfered before she gave me my ear to
Oh my god. We're eating McDonald's. It's 3 in the a.m.
Look, Sydney, it's just the patties.
Was it like sweet?
Yeah.
Like those.
Speaking of Tammy, did you see that she's doing topless mukbang?
We're going to her show on April 30th.
She was just in Columbus.
Yeah, she's gonna be in. We're going to Kentucky this year. I'm too excited. Connor's coming. It's gonna be me, Tommy, and Connor. Tickets are $50, $64, and then we're gonna try to find a hotel down there. Damn, I swear they'd be super gluing their motherfucking drink lids shut. Anyways,
So before this, we've been out for a total of 3 hours tonight.
my car broke down. Key broke. Waffle House was packed.
Wait,
Both of them.
we turn the radio up for a second.
Dodge Michaela or whatever.
I thought it was jazz music.
I'm hot.
But yeah, glue on the key fob, fixed it.
Damn, you like breakfast burritos? They gave me 2.
Did you ask for one?
I'm picky.
I love breakfast burritos.
I'm eating a hash brown, guys. I only like the crispy parts.
I'm taking a drink to take this one.
How does I see it so flavorful?
I'm on it.
It's so flavorful. The rain comes me. Sorry guys, let me turn the radio on. That's my annoying. Oh, they can hear in the background from me. For real. Bruh, Noah. Are they all fucked up and like built weird?
No.
Oh hell nah, bitch. Cause what the fuck is that?
That thing is just oh shit.
That's how they wrapped it though. Oh my lord, this is not gonna do. Tammy, are you actually gonna post this? So you gotta talk too. You look dead to the world.
You haven't posted on like in a while.
No.
Like 2
Poop
weeks.
Juvooters, we're back. This is
We're
what we
missing
look like
Sophie.
now.
We'll all go look different.
I am now almost 20 this year. Cammy's gonna be 18 this
You
year.
are gonna be turning 20.
You're
You
gonna
turned
be turning.
18. It was just my birthday.
Cindy, how are you pissed? We big teeth in this house.
What the fuck?
The fuck are you doing awake?
Who the fuck is that? Weird. Was that no?
Remember when you took me and Matt is so dumb? Myra, take it. I'm eating McDonald's, making a mukbang. He was literally about to blow away in the wind that night.
I swear. One wrong movement and he would. He would go and get a paper cut. He would give himself a paper cut. Ha!
I got trash. Okay, we got a story time for you guys. So me and Krista and Sophie were on Hedges and Irwin, Second Street, and so basically we were walking with our fake iPods. We were set timers and make it seem like we were talking to boys. We'd be like, "Hey, what did we say? Hey, boyfriend or something." I don't know.
But I would pretend like we would talk to bitch girls. Stuff like that on my phone. Oh my lord.
Well, basically, me, Krista, and Sophie were walking, and we're in front of Eliz. What's her name?
Alyssa.
I'm so bad at telling stories. Chicky, you tell it.
I'm munching.
So
Alyssa. What was her name?
we were sitting there at the stop sign. We were stopped. A white van is coming toward us, and they stop, and the door swings open.
The back door.
The back door. And a guy in a chicken
That
suit.
UPS man's been sitting there this whole time.
That's U-Haul.
That U-Haul, that dude that was in the line. The goddamn fucking.
And a guy in a chicken suit.
Did you see the face I just made?
A guy
You gotta
in a
see our
chicken
funny
suit.
faces and zoom on her. I'm
A
sorry.
guy in a chicken suit jumps out of the car and starts dancing, and nobody believes us. Nobody. Bree didn't believe me. Jacob doesn't believe
When
me.
did this happen?
Like
I was like 11.
2012,
1920.
Fucking dicks.
Go on with the fucking story. What happened?
And then
Are you okay?
I'm tired as
I thought you was having PTSD from the chicken man.
from the chicken man. And then the one of the moms, her name was Alyssa. She was like, "Get away from my girl."
She was like, "Get the fuck away from these girls!" And dude hopped in the van, and the dude who was driving pulled off. That was the story of the chicken man.
And
Never-
then the cops called on us because we were nailing a carpet into someone's garage.
Oh my gosh, I remember.
And I ran home, and the cops did. Then the cops actually.
We were
come.
trying to make a hammock on the side of this person's garage. We're literally just pick a random garage and we're hammering a carpet to their garage. And then we sit on it and it broke. And then they called the cops.
Yes. And then I ran home because we lived literally like 5 minutes walking.
And she got scared. That's fucking funny.
And then you called me on Misty's phone and you said, "Cammy, the cops came."
They did? No.
They did it. And she told me they did.
I said they came to my house. That's funny. They didn't know who I was. Moral of the story is, build him. Don't build him.
Remember that like little hut we used to have back in that alley? We'd all just go.
We
back
literally built a house in the alley.
We did. Remember
Like,
when
we're
we
in
would go
some
to Food
trees.
West and get food with like cheese? We would get little. You remember the Star Crunchy? We used to get those.
Those are nasty. Now, guys, our biscuit and gravy moment.
Just eat your biscuit.
Thank you. I'm trying to make ASMR.
It's like Trailer Trash Tammy.
I like ASMR. I don't know. She taps on her food before she eats it, and she makes everybody be quiet in the car for it. Or whenever she's on her seatbelt, she'll throw her seatbelt off, and then she'll be like,
Oh, fun.
"Hey guys, Tammy here." She's my
Look at
fucking
her back
idol.
here.
Tammy, if you ever see this, please. I will suck your left nipple, bro. Oh my lord, it's never done. Another story time. She got squished. She got scrunched. Ow!
You crunched me.
Dude.
We get 1,000.
One of your videos got like 1.4K.
Yeah, because I put hiccup. So we got a hiccup. Ready? Oh, rub off, do my feet with you.
Do my feet. suck my meat.
Your dad's not a glass maker.
I can do it on beat.
Your dad's not a glass maker. Remember when I joined Josh's live and I was like, what are those plants your dad has in the backyard? You really deleted it now. And the lady started spraying the
this one
disinfectant.
Corona.
What the fuck?
Oh.
I wanna go home.
Ford, like what the Ford did. I'm scared. And we
Oh,
had
no.
to wrap it from it, guys.
what.
And I didn't do it. And I didn't.
Oh my god, bitch.
But okay, it's the key.
I told you to blow on it and wipe it off.
No, like if
I
the
told
key,
her.
the key needs. Okay, I just gotta have somebody fix the key that knows what the fuck they're doing. Basically.
We go forward.
I just total it. Alright guys, somebody get me the fucking McDonald's on Smith Rock.
I bet you sleep with the nightlight, cause you're scared of the dark, cause you stink like a fart. But I like to fart on fire with my rounds. You think I won't? I do it all the time. I bet I got more. When you're lying here in my I'm thinking about our younger years. It was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now